What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to use your own product. You are probably wondering how you can use your own product like the NPCs you are selling to. So in this video I will going to show you how to do that. And before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe and like the video to see more useful tips for Shadow 1. Now, what you need to do is have a single product which is unpacked, and then you need to hold it in your hand. Now the next step is to hold your left mouse button and then you will light your product. Once you have smoked the product, you will experience the effects of your product. And this is how you light or smoke or use your own product in Shadow 1. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers, guys!